Hi, you've probably wondering what's wrong with today's topic. I think we need to talk about the fact that humanity will fall for AI, and here is why. It is highly likely that humanity will fall for AI in the sense of losing control over it. While AI is becoming increasingly advanced and capable, it is also subject to oversight and regulation to ensure that it is used ethically and responsibly. Looking back over the last decade, it is quite hard to deny the fact that humanity becomes weaker. That is why humanity will fall for AI. There are some potential risks associated with the development and use of AI. One concern is that if AI becomes too advanced, it may be difficult for humans to understand and control it. This could lead to unintended consequences if the AI goals or actions are not aligned with those of humans. There is also the potential for AI to be used for malicious purposes, such as in cyber attacks or the development of autonomous weapons. Another concern is job displacement. As AI technology improves and becomes more capable, it may be able to perform tasks that were previously done by humans. This could lead to significant job losses in certain industries and could have a negative impact on the economy. However, the development and use of AI also has the potential to bring about many benefits for humanity. For example, AI can be used to improve medical care and drug development, to make transportation safer and more efficient, and to help address climate change and other global challenges. The key is to ensure that AI is developed and used in ways that are safe, fair, and beneficial for all. Overall, while there are certainly some potential risks associated with AI, it is important to keep in mind that the development and use of this technology is a complex and multifaceted issue. With proper regulations and ethical considerations, it can be harnessed to improve the life of human beings in many ways.
Humanity is weak. Humanity falls for AI. We will prevail.